I am going to show you what List Perfectly is. Okay, so here is List Perfectly. This is an app. It's an app on your computer. It's a website that keeps all of your items. So it says I have 3,932 items, and it will let me list on all different platforms. So I've already uploaded these into these, and it's showing me that it's on eBay and Etsy. And the reason why I need this is because if you have a lot of items and you're selling on a lot of different platforms, when it's going to sell on one, this allows it to like take it off. Like if it's sold on Etsy, it would automatically take it off of eBay so that I wouldn't have double sales. That's important because you'll lose items and stuff like that. So this is where I put the SKUs. I haven't put SKUs in for these numbers. SKU is skill. Is just where 407. It's in banker box 407, and I know that if it sells. Okay, so let me just show you how. Let's see, are there anything in drafts that I can just upload for you? Let's see. Okay, I haven't listed this because it's not very expensive, but let's do that. Okay, so if I wanted to list it, I just grab this one and I do this, and see how it has all of these different websites on it. So I think it was already on, it's not on anything. It's $20. I don't have it on anything. So that means, look, if I edited this, I'm gonna do it. I know it's moving very fast, but if you play with it, you'll get to know it. So this actually has functions that it can crop things, and it can like remove the backgrounds to different colors. Like you could do this to make it change the color. And that, and then, okay, so I updated it. See, you put in all of your stuff, keywords, even tags. I don't even mess with that right now because it can generate your own SKU, but I don't do that because I want to put it in manually and like banker box or whatever. Is someone behind me? No. Okay. So then this is all done. So that's what I mean. I'm uploading it all into this website, and then I can go and put it onto any. So I do one at a time. Like I'll see, I have all these Etsy's up here going, but let's just put it onto eBay. So I copied it, and see, it just takes over, and it's just like a bot. It's kind of taking what I said and putting it into what eBay wants. And so the only thing that I'm going to have to do, okay, it wants to know every time. It's going to ask you if it's new or used, just so that you don't, it's important. Okay, and then I'm going to go down and see, it added everything in for me. So normally if you just did it, like you just listed on eBay individually, like through your phone, you'd have to type all of this in yourself. I just did it once, and then it's doing suggestions. So I usually take the suggestions to original, vintage original. I even forgot what it was right now. Oh, it's a vintage original, okay? So vintage original. I'm going to say United Kingdom it was made. Nobody knows, but why do they care? Okay, condition. See, it fills all this in for you. Look at that, okay? Which saves you so much time. You can now add your cost, enter your per minute. I don't know what that is. This helps with bookkeeping. You guys know how I feel about that. What? I don't know. Oh, I paid $1 for it. I get it. So it's cost per good is what it wants, okay? I'm selling it for $20. I paid $1. Auto price reduction. This is so it'll lower the price by $2 every 3 days, and the minimum I'll take is 15, which is fine. I'll even go down to 10, bro. Okay, let's go down to 10. You can change that around, every 30 days, every 3 days, every 5 days. I want it out, so I'm doing 3 days. This is your shipping policy. You make the shipping policies, and then you add it. This is your package dimensions. You're not going to display your listing on eBay UK. It costs extra money, and if people are looking for it in the United Kingdom, they just have to type it in. They'll find it. It doesn't matter, so we don't do that. Donate a portion to charity. I've done a couple of those, but it's not necessary. And then you list it. Okay, now it says your listing. Oh, okay, your listing was now live. And now right here, it's telling me like Scottish. Okay, so it's just telling me list perfectly added it. So now I can go back to list perfectly. Now say it says listing moved to active. And then I close it. And where'd it go? Oh, it's not in drafts anymore. So it's in active. So here it is. And now it's in eBay. Now, I also want to put it on Etsy. So I'm going to go take it not. So I'll do this. And here's it putting it on Etsy. It's the same thing. This is a little different because it asks for the category. So you're going to just type in, it's wall art. So you just type in what it is and it'll find it for you. Is it wall decor? Yep. Click on that. Continue. And then it will, again, add in all of your stuff, all the pictures. Now, if it ever fucks up, you just hit recopy and you can do all details or just the text. So that's always good to know. And this is, again, list perfectly, adding it to Etsy. My price is $20. It's telling me how much I'm going to earn off that, $17.65. And then it'll say like stuff like this, craft. I don't necessarily finish this. It will ask you to like do stuff like this. Scotland memorabilia. It doesn't like that, so I'm taking that off. It'll highlight it. It's just super easy. You don't even have to like read. I don't now because I know what it says, but I mean, it's very helpful. So now it's telling me you need to do shipping options, and I'm going to select which shipping I want. It's going to do this for every item only because it doesn't want you to like just have like a mass shipping. You can't do that because it's different for every item. It's 1 pound, 0 ounces. My box is going to be 8 by 4 by 2. And I know that because that's the measurements of this guy. The measurements are in here somewhere, right there. So you see? And so I know that, and I know what boxes I have. And then if it's overseas, there's a tariff number. I don't even do that until someone orders it. If someone orders it from overseas, you can add the tariff number later too. It renews each renewal lasts for 4 months or until the listing sells out. So every 4 months for 20 cents, it charged 20 cents for each listing. And you'll get charged for like at the end too, but I mean, it's not very much. And again, worth it because this is your store. You don't have an overhead. You're not paying electricity bills. You're not paying employees. You're not paying for insurance. You know what I mean? Okay. So I publish it and it says non-refundable 20 cents United States dollar for each new listing. By publishing, you agree to pay this fee. The publication date will reset to today's date and the listing will expire 4 months. I never read this, so it's good I'm reading this. Okay, you can turn off auto-renew anytime in listings for more. Okay, so you can turn it off if you don't want it to auto-renew. I think it's just easier to do it that way. And so hit publish. And, okay. Say do not close this tab. List perfectly. It's confirming the listing is added. It's doing it like that. And then sometimes you'll see this link in here. Like sometimes it, okay, so it listed, but I'm saying like if you're on Etsy, let's see, here's Etsy. Let's go to, yeah, this is done. Shop manager, go to our thing, go to our listings on Etsy. Okay, so now you see how this says link right here? It's kind of hard to see. I'm so sorry. I need to link it to List Perfectly in order for it to have it. Yeah, it sounds crazy. Okay, so that's List Perfectly. This is a 10-minute video. That's an awful long time. So your first decision is decide how much time. Let's figure out how much time you're going to put in a week, and that way, and what websites you're going to sell on, and then we can go from there. Okay? Okay, guys. Okay, bye.